Crochet tutorial continued. Round 6. Chain 3 counts as first double crochet DC. In the next stitch, work an unfinished DC. Yarn over, pull up a loop, leave 2 loops on hook. Repeat in the next stitch, 3 unfinished DC in total. Yarn over and pull through all loops to complete a DC3 tog. Double crochet 3 together. Chain 4. Repeat steps 2 to 5 across the next 3 stitches, forming another DC3 tog plus CH4. This completes 2 groups. Repeat for a total of 12 groups. Join with a slip stitch, SL straight to the first stitch. Round 7. Work a special DC. 1 single crochet, SC, in next stitch, then pick up the left strand and work another SC. On the final pull through, switch to blue yarn. In the chain 4 space, work 4 DC, weave in yarn tails as you go. On the last DC, switch to yellow yarn. In the next stitch, work 1 DC while switching back to blue yarn. Repeat steps 2 to 4 to complete 2 groups. Repeat for 12 groups total. Join with SL Saint to the first stitch. Round 8. Chain 1 does not count as a stitch. In the same stitch, work 1 SC, weave in yarn tails. SC in the next 2 stitches. Half double crochet, HDC in the next stitch. DC in the next 2 stitches. Treble crochet, TR, in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 2 TR, chain 2, then 2 more TR, forms a corner. TR in the next stitch. DC in the next 2 stitches. HDC in the next stitch. SC in the next 3 stitches. This completes 1 group. Repeat for 4 groups total. Join with SL Saint to the first stitch. Fasten off and weave in ends with a yarn needle. Looking forward to your finished projects.